Tell me about yourself.
Good day, my name is Clyde Art. I am a hardworking and friendly person. I enjoy helping customer, and also I am learning a new skill and improve my communication. So I am interested in working of McDonald's because I admire uh, your fast service and good customer experience. I will do my best to contribute my team and to your team.
Tell me about a time you showed leadership.
I show leadership during a group project in high when I helped organize tasks and guided my teammate until everyone understood the roles to finish the time thought we had a leader hard, hard to learn and work as a team.
Describe an accomplishment that you are proud of.
I describe I'm proud of improving my communication skills so I practice consistent and now I can speak confidently. This helped me I serve customer better at McDonald's.
Describe a time you created a goal and achieved it.
I set a goal to improve my English skills and I practice daily and stay consistent. In the end, I because more competitive speaking will make me help me in customer service.
Describe a time you made a mistake.
I once misunderstood a task, but I corrected it correctly and informed my team. I learned to double check instruction and communicate better than to serve better.